Your favorite cooler is an absolute scam. The brutal truth. Ice melts, turning your emergency supplies into a swamp. Enter the BougeRV 12-volt portable fridge. While competitors quickly drain your power banks, this rig runs on an ultra-low energy eco mode. It chills down to -4 degrees rapidly. Zero ice required means massive space for vital rations. Wrapped in heavy-duty, shock-proof insulation. It shrugs off brutal off-road vibrations. Running seamlessly on basic solar setups. Never eat soggy, ruined food again. Get the BougeRV 12V portable fridge deal in the pinned comment, before you realize.